wondering what is this fancy tool near me? Well, in today's video I'm going to talk about what are handheld massage gun, how it is helpful for you and how to use one. So if you want to know more about handheld massage gun which are getting super cool every single day and is becoming a favorite buy for most of people, especially the ones who are into daily active workouts, active lifestyle and who are athletes, then make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's begin. Well, massage guns are nothing but a method of massaging technique itself, which is called a vibration method, also called as percussion in massaging terms. Handheld massage guns are gaining popularity day by day. These massage guns are absolute favorite of many people, especially the ones who are more athletic, who are into sports, who are into day-to-day active lifestyle. For them, this has become a go-to tool. This massager is becoming one of the favorite tool for all the athletes as well as the people who run marathons, who do regular gymming activities or else who are involved in the sports. What could be the reason of so much of popularity of this? The reason is the science behind it. Yes, handheld massage guns basically follows a traditional massage approach which is called as percussion massage or else vibration massage. Now, this is not the only way with which you can get a percussion massage. You can achieve the effects of percussion massage with the help of your hands or else help of a massage therapist. At the same time, you can get same effect of percussion massage with foam rollers, lacrosse balls, trigger point ball or with a simple age-old massage therapist. But the reason why this is getting popular is because of its efficiency and ease to use. It's so simple to use that anyone can at any time and in any area of the body can use this vibration therapy or else percussion massage therapy to get relief from their symptoms. So what are these massage guns? Well, massage guns are handheld devices which use different speed of vibration or percussion to gain relief of pain, of reduction in muscle spasm, as well as reduction in increase as well as improvement in the blood circulation to the injured area. Handheld massager exactly look and sounds like a drill. It comes in variety of speed, sizes and different attachments which can be used for different areas of application in the body for the purpose of pain relief, muscle relaxation and increase in blood circulation. The science behind this handheld massage gun is its vibration. Yes, this massage gun vibrates at different speed and at different level. This vibration when goes or else is applied to the body, it produces a repetitive percussive or else vibration effect over the area on which it is placed. Like any other benefit or use of percussion therapy or else vibration therapy, this particular device or handheld massage gun can be used to achieve similar results. Like loosening of thick fascia, increase in range of motion and flexibility, reduction in soreness and muscle stiffness, increase in muscular metabolism, increase in vascularization, release of trigger points, reduction of scar tissues and calcification, pain relief, reduction of scar tissues and calcification, loosening of muscle tissue and fascia, increase in range of motion and flexibility, reduction in muscle soreness and stiffness, increase in metabolism of the muscle, increase in vascularization. So along with all these benefits, this device or its handheld massager gun is specifically used in conditions like arthritis, back pain, shoulder pain, heel pain, knee pain, thigh pain, arm pain, muscles, ligament or tendon injuries, muscular strains or sprains, in post-surgical situation where muscle stiffness is a problem or flexibility is a problem, areas where scarring of tissues have happened, soft tissue trauma, condition like carpal tunnel syndrome, condition like cubital tunnel syndrome, myofascial pain syndrome and many more. That's why This is a device that you will also very easily find with every physiotherapist who is practicing and helping people suffering from various movement related disorders. So let me show you how to use an handheld massage gun. So if you see this device, right now I'm having this massage gun from the company AGARO. AGARO is a company which I really like because the quality of the product are really good. At the same time, their products are at really affordable prices compared to other competitors. And this device in particular is one of my favorite from their company is because of its style. It really looks cool. At the same time, the effectiveness of this device. So if you see, what I have in my hand right now is the body or is the massage gun itself. It looks like a drill and it works also like a drill. It will work exactly in the same way. You'll observe how the drill runs, same way this device also runs. Along with this device, you get separate attachments like this. If you can see, this is a spherical one, bigger one. This is the small spherical one. Along with that, you also get a flat one. This is two pointy one. Then again there is again a flat surface, kind of round circular surface, and you have one single pointy one. Now the way you use it is very simple. You just need to pick any of one attachment. You need to place it over this. Then you need to switch on the handheld massager from the bottom. This comes with a charger, so you can charge this for 2 to 3 hours and this charging would be ready and then this would be ready to use. So it is wireless, absolutely, so very easily portable. You just switch on. Then on the back side you will see the parameters. You just need to change the speed and parameter and see, as you can see, it exactly works like a drilling machine. And the amount of vibration that you want, you can increase and decrease from the behind panel. It's really fun to see how this machine operates and can be applied over different muscles. So now you must be wondering, so many attachments, when to use which one? Well, let me make this task simple for you. So the area where you want to apply the massage gun, that will determine which kind of attachment you will use. One important thing of caution that you should always keep in mind is never apply this vibrator above your neck region or else on this upper neck region, because this is a very sensitive area and this machine would be little heavy for you. Or else if you are using, you have to use the most mildest form of massage or else vibration over here. But I will still recommend don't use it at your neck region because it's a sensitive area. You can start applying from your trapezius or your side shoulder region and below that anywhere, no problem at all. Now let me start with the biggest one, this biggest circular spherical one. Now this is specifically for bigger muscle area like your glutes, your thighs, your back thigh region, where you need to cover a bigger surface of massage. So there you will use this bigger spherical attachment. Then you see this smaller spherical attachment which is exactly the same but of smaller size. So this basically you can use over the muscles like your calf muscles, your deltoid muscles, your shoulder muscles, or else on the side of your back muscles which are little bigger but not too big. In those situations, this spherical one would be really amazing. Now coming to this flat one. This flat one is specifically for the area where the muscle bulk is less and tendons and ligaments are more. So maybe above your knee joint area where you don't have much of muscle bulk, in those areas you can apply this kind of flat massager, or else behind the ankle region where your Achilles tendon and your calf muscle lies, in those areas you can apply this kind of attachment. Now this is a flat attachment. This is specifically for your back region and the side of your back region. So this one and this one both are basically for your back region. Make sure do not apply or place it exactly over your spinous process or as the bony process of your spine. This one would be okay. Here you can keep it over your back and then it will gradually go up, move up like this. It will not touch the bony areas, but this one will directly touch the bony areas. So you will make sure that you will place it next to your spine and then gradually take this forward. So this is how you determine the attachments depending on the area. And the last attachment, the smaller one, is basically for the small points where you easily develop pain, where you have those tenderness, where you press at certain area and you feel pain. In those situations, you are going to apply this kind of massager. So now let me show you how to use it. So as you can see, this is the handheld massager. So from here is the power supply, so you can charge your device from here, and this is the on and off button, so you just need to switch it on. And here in the back area where you can see these numbers, this is plus and minus button, so you can just increase or decrease the intensity. This is the timer for how long it will stay, and you can increase the speed of vibration from here. So you can reduce it. So once it comes to 0, you can just shut it off from here. So let's consider I have an elbow pain due to tennis elbow, where here I have pain. Usually in tennis elbow, the elbow region muscle or is your forearm muscle, this muscles get sore and spasmodic, where you can apply your gun massager to achieve a release and pain relief. How you use and massage gun. If you who are someone who is constantly engaged or involved in physical activity like workout, athletics, sports, etc., investing in such sort of massage gun is super helpful. Apart from that, it's also a very good investment from a well-being and health perspective for all your family members, as aches and pains is something which is very common and affects everyone in the family. My take on AGARO's massage gun is that it's super affordable, it's very easy and convenient to use. At the same time, the quality of product is very nice. Hence, I would highly recommend for anyone looking for buying a massage gun to go for AGARO's massage gun. I hope you like this video and found this video informative. If yes, make sure to like this video, share this video with your friends and family members, and do not forget to subscribe to HealthQ channel. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.